Hey guys, welcome again to Hannah's Kitchen. I would like to send my hugs to all my family and friends who always supporting me on my channel. Thank you for your love and support. For those who are new on my channel, welcome. Our recipe for today is caramel pretzel chocolate chip cookies. If you would like to know how to create this, keep on watching. For this recipe, you need 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, half cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 2 cups of pretzel twist plus more for topping, 1½ cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and 1½ cup of soft caramel candy unwrapped. So first, you're gonna put your pretzels in a zip bag. And then you're gonna crush it with a rolling pin. You put in your baking soda and your salt, mix it together and then put it in the side. And then you grab your mixing bowl and then you're gonna put in your butter, your brown sugar, your granulated sugar, and your vanilla extract. And then we're gonna beat this all together until it becomes soft. Mixture becomes smooth, you add your egg one at a time and beat it so it will be well incorporated on your mixture. Flour mixture a bit at a time while beating until it forms a smooth dough. smooth your mixture, you put in your semi-sweet chocolate chips and your crushed pretzels, and then you fold it in using a rubber scraper to incorporate each other. Baking sheet with a parchment paper, or you're gonna grease it with a cooking spray, and then make sure your hands is clean, and you get about a tablespoon of your dough, and then you make it a circle and flatten it a little bit. And then you get one caramel, you flatten it. If your caramel is too hard, you can. I heated mine in the oven for about 15 seconds, and then you put it on the middle of your dough, and then you get another about about 3/4 of a tablespoon, and then you cover it on top of your dough, and make sure you sealed it properly on the side so the caramel is not going out. And then you repeat this process until you filled up your tray and put a gap in each other. Okay, and then you're gonna bake it in a preheated oven of 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes. Then you're gonna remove it from the oven. So after baking for 10 minutes, you pulled it out from the oven, and while it's still hot, you're gonna grab one piece of your twisted pretzel and you press it on the middle. Press it slowly and push it so the pretzel will stay in your cookies. So, this is the finished product of a recipe today, the caramel pretzel chocolate chip cookies. If you didn't catch up all the list of ingredients, I will write it down in the description below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and push the notification bell so you will be updated when I will upload another amazing recipe. Thank you again for always watching. Please take care, stay healthy, stay safe, have a good day, and I will see you again on my next video.